Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to cover the spring and summer services that we provide our residential and commercial customers. Our residential and commercial clients have numerous outdoor maintenance needs each season. To address these needs, we've created seasonal service packages. These packages include our most popular and essential services. This helps us streamline our estimating process, and as a result, you can receive your proposal within minutes. Each of our field crew are then able to focus on select services, improving quality and your overall customer experience. Starting with our spring services, we offer several spring cleanup packages tailored to suit the needs of both our casual and year-round customers. These services can include power raking, core aeration, and leaf cleanup for both garden bed and lawn areas. Our packages will make sure your yard starts off on the right foot. Following our spring cleanups, we provide ongoing maintenance services including weekly lawn mowing and weed and fertilization programs. These services will make sure your yard is lush, green, and healthy throughout the summer and well into the fall. Our maintenance teams are equipped to properly serve most commercial properties within Winnipeg. Similar to residential properties, we provide a full suite of lawn maintenance programs to look after your property. We also provide parking lot maintenance services, including line painting, pressure washing, parking lot and walkway sweeping, crack sealing, and litter cleanup. These services are essential to keep your property clean, more importantly safe for both staff and patrons. There are lots of different companies who offer similar types of services to Terrace, but we're a complete property maintenance service provider, offering year-round essential services. You don't have to look for someone new every time you need help with your property. We look after everything for you. We reduce the headaches of contacting multiple companies for different services and estimates, and we really just want to help you save time and keep you well informed. After you finish watching this video, I challenge you to pick up the phone and call a few different service providers. Rate your experience. Then, contact our office. Our staff will be available to answer your call anytime during operating hours. And communication doesn't just stop after you sign the contract. Our team will keep you well informed after each step along the way. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. If you want to learn more about the services we provide, then check out our full library of videos in our customer how-to series. There, I go in depth on our different services, our customer features, and our service terms and conditions. If you're ready to let us save you some time, then give us a call now. If you want to learn more about our spring and summer programs, then watch this video here. And if you want to learn more about our parking lot maintenance programs, then check out this video here. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. We're constantly releasing new videos like this to help answer your questions and keep you informed. To stay up to date, make sure you subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and we'll answer it for you. Thanks for watching.